So next is Dhritihi. What is Dhritihi? Please underline this also. Dhritihi, Dharanam, Dehadi Avasade Uttambanam. When body, mind have given up, when body, mind have given up, still you continue to move in your higher pursuit. Dhriti is required where? Where something is difficult and you fail and things are not happening. फिर से बोल दें. Dhriti is required where you have a higher goal and you fail in doing it repeatedly, still you don't give up. Okay? बोलो श्लोक गीता का. धृत्या यया धार्यते मन प्राणेन्द्रिय क्रिया योगेन अव्यभिचारिण्य धृति सा पार्थ सात्विकी. Anshuman failed to bring Ganga ji. His son Dilip failed to bring Ganga ji. 2 generations have failed. His son Dilip should have said, हम क्यों खराब करें समय अपना? Why should I give up? I mean, why should I start and take a project which has not worked by? खाओ पियो आनंद में रहो. He said, no, still I feel energetic even though I'm tired. Physical tiredness has not made me mentally tired. Physically I am tired, but mentally I am not tired still. I'll continue. That capacity is called Dhritihi. देखो क्या लिखा है. देहादि अवसादे. अवसादे मीन्स थक जाने पे, being tired. सती सप्तमी. अवसादे सती. उत्तम्बनम. Still he continues. This vritti is required a lot. This vritti is, if it is not there, a person will take any big work and give up in between. And after giving up, his confidence will go away. He started chanting Ramayana. He thought, I'll complete Ramayana in 30 days. He did for 3-4 days. After that, he felt it's too much. I think, why I took this vow? I will do it slowly. We should not overdo anything. And he will give up. And next, his confidence will go away. You know, in the ground floor, too much of rush is there. Lot of lawyers are there, I mean. As you go on the top, rush is lesser. Known lawyers may be 5-10. Who had this Dhriti? I will not give up. Well, I am reading Sanskrit, I am not, but still I continue that. Let me find out how I like. Dehadi avasade, this is called Dhriti Vritti. I hope this is clear. I am just taking 1-2 Vritti. Shraddha, Ashraddha, Dhriti, Adhriti, Adhriti need not be explained. Hrihi, Hrihi means Lajja. Dhihi, Dhi means Buddhi. Bhihi, fear. All these are vritti. Many vrittis are of the mind. But we don't know one thing. Which vritti should be brought where, at what time, for how long? Art of thinking is most difficult. vritti is not required here, which krodh vritti is not required. Then what is required? Here seva vritti is required. Here dukh vritti is not required. Then here Ishwar vritti is required. Here kam vritti is not required. Then here self-control vritti is required. More one can play inside thy mind and bring it, more he is the master of a situation. So this is the vritti of the mind. I hope this is clear now. Now the second thing. Okay. पता लगा जो वृत्ति नहीं आनी चाहिए वहाँ आ गई. एक one vritti, if it is wrong, it can make a hell of a person. If person has ahankar, bas, sufficient to make his life a big problem. If a person has a vritti of krodh, it will spoil everything. It will come at a wrong time. If a person has asakti vritti, he will again be in a lot of trouble. Asakti vritti. Now let me go ahead. All these are vritti of the mind. So mind is there and you can see the panorama of that. There was one scholar in Banaras. He used to teach Brahma Sutra, etc. And while teaching, he used to have supadi. And there is supadi cutter was there. Supadi cutter, I don't know what you call. हाँ? हाँ? अब जो भी है, हाँ, they used to eat supadi. Bajirao Peshwa went to Banaras to meet him. He used to sit on the veranda and he asked him, "What seva can I do for you? What is troubling you? I can take away the sorrow." I don't remember which sutra he said. In that he said, in Ashtadhyayi, this sutra of Panini, I can't understand. One sutra of Panini. With that I am struggling, I am not understanding. If you know that, he said, I don't know all these things. And one day he was teaching. And he was from a village, but scholar of Brahma Sutra, etc. While cutting and eating that metal nut, he said, "Kuch katat baho, something is pricking me." But he continued. When they got up, a scorpion was there. But he continued teaching. क्या वृत्ति थी उनके पास. Udiya Baba was there. When somebody garlanded a snake, quiet, हिले ही नहीं. Live snake, somebody garlanding, he is still. Saints means one who has very big vritti. A rare vritti, big, all vrittis are with sin. Shraddha vritti very big. Dhairya vritti very big. After a long time, one saint got some roti, was there. He said, "Okay, roti is not there." Shishya said, "We have 3. Bole, 2 you take, 1 I will take." He said, "No, 2 you take." So, Brahma Arpanam he did, and one person came. Beggar, bole. He said, "Arey, 3 days you are hungry." Bole, "No, water to hai." So much developed these thoughts are there. Vinamrata vritti, if it is developed, a person will become very dear to his teacher and God. And if it is not developed, he will like a prick everybody. Ahankari person pricks. Moh mool bhav sool pratyagav tab abhiman. And these vrittis are of the mind. Don't think we face the world from our qualification. I am doctor, engineer. You can earn. You face the world with your thought and prominent thought. Prominent thought is there. Joy and sorrow is not given by your money. It can give comfort. Joy and sorrow is given by the prominent thought. Which thought is there? And therefore, earlier education was character building institution. Developing the higher thought was the purpose of education. Now feeding the data and getting ready mind to earn lot of money is the education system. So Guru, you go to the Guru and he will say, okay, get up in the morning. They are increasing the vritti of tatparata. You have to get up. What time? 3:30 you get up. 3:30 every day, yes. Morning, of course, evening not going morning you have to get up 3:30. I will be doing puja and you come and settle everything. And don't come without taking bath. Take bath and then. That means I have to get up at 3 o'clock. That is for you to decide. 3:30 be there. Well, it's so early. You sleep early. Don't sleep too early. Sleep after I sleep. Eat after I eat. Do 5 mala jap. Agyakarita vritti they are increasing. You did it? No. No food today. Go. But I'll do and come, then I can have food. Yes, then you can have. But do and then come. Now education system is not meant. A boy who is 20, 21, full of calm, full of growth, disobedience, seva vritti is not there. We create one person in the society who will not be an asset sometimes. And therefore in the ashram life, much emphasis is not on giving jnana of the Brahman, is the vritti developing center. Vinamra ho jao. Why you are upset? No, but why you scolded? No, you have to hear scolding. Learn to tolerate. Do puja. Vishnu Sahasranam, I will do, whole Vishnu Sahasranam sit. No, I will chant 100 name and get out. No, you have to sit. Sit for 2 hours, 3 hours. Do Durga Sapshati. Durga Puja is coming. Chant whole Durga Sapshati. In one go, of course. I get tired. No, even you get tired, you continue. Start. Start. I'm sitting there, start. Slowly, slowly, slowly. One person comes up. He becomes a lighthouse. He becomes Gurudev. ठीक है? Calm, conquered growth. Yesterday somebody called from Durban. I can talk to that person. I said no. Day before yesterday. Again yesterday. Can I call for? I said no. You will get attached. Crying. Go cry, I don't mind. I can cry, I can give you handkerchief. Cry. Even if you faint, it doesn't matter. What shall I do? Go and do 10 mala jap. And that person did it. Today is saying, thank you, I'm out. And I'll tell you, everybody feels one thing. I should have been guided at very early age. I should have been taught, guided. Somebody should have asked me by heart Bhagavad Gita. And if I don't by heart, he should have scolded me and make it by heart. Somebody should have controlled my anger. By the time I am 40, 50, much mistakes have been committed. Now if I say by heart, अब बोल देते memory हमारी नहीं है. ये वृत्ति का इतना असर है. श्रद्धा, अश्रद्धा, हीर, धीर. अच्छा, बहुत. And you don't know what is required in the world. You don't know. Somewhere patience is required. Somewhere compassion is required. You deal with the person who is a dullard number one, and you have to teach that person. I'm not saying anybody. You all are highly bright, but I have faced a situation where you have to teach the person who doesn't know any Devanagari script also, who doesn't answer, उसको समझाओगे समझाओ. वो छोड़ भी नहीं रहा है. ऐसा नहीं कि he has no श्रद्धा. He is after you. Only please teach Bhagavad Gita. Nothing he by heart, nothing remembers. At that time, too much of compassion is required. I feel the essence of teacher is this compassion. Shri of teacher is this compassion. Mother के पास compassion कम चाहिए. You all are mothers, you must have known. How many times you feel like you're getting irritated and you want to hard hit or shout? बोले ठीक है, I'll explain to him. Live in the family is easy. How much seva is required? And those who serve, they don't acknowledge also. मजेदार बात ये. Sometimes you serve, then they say you don't do anything. Still you continue. So big thoughts are required. When you say, no, this situation has eaten me up, it means your thought was small. If you had a bigger thought, it would have over the situation it was there. Because correspondingly the thought was small, therefore I could not forgive him. Therefore I am disturbed. The issue has eaten me. These are the vritti of the mind. Let me move ahead. So, and third thing, why mind is there? मन एव तस्मात् अपि पृष्ठतः उपस्पृष्ठतः मनसा विजानाति. Somebody comes and touches your shoulders. Because mind knows this is a shoulder, therefore you feel that he is touching my shoulder, not my back. He is touching my neck and not my back. So there is somebody who has recorded this part is in my body. And therefore it will say, therefore mind is there. I am convinced mind is there. You don't prove. I have such a terrible mind. I know that. So then, this is the mind. Second is vak. Yah kascha shabdah vagev sa. Whatever words are there, they are called vak. Words. Achha, haan. I'll show you. Vak means speech is there. Esha hi yantam. This, see the word, antam ayat aisha. So it concludes in the, I say flower. So vak concludes this is flower. That it shows some object, where culminates in the knowledge of an object, that is called vak. Okay. This is the meaning here. Antam ayat aisha. If you see page 344, Bhashyakar writes there, second line. Esha vag. This is ha, ghi is not there. Vaghi. Ha has become gha. Sandhi rule is there. Yasmat antam. Abhidheyam. Abhidheyam means what is pointed out. Avasanam abhidheyam nirnayam ayat anugata. It takes you ultimately to the object that is called vak. I say Suresh. So Suresh, he is Suresh. So word is taking you to the object. Okay, understand. And after that, Esha hi na prana. 3 was there, man, vak and pran. So third is pran. And what is pran? Apan, pran, apan, vyan, udan, saman, ina, iti etat sarvam prana. A very good definition of pran, etc. You remember I said pran means Kriya Shakti. Kriya Shakti. Power of activity. Pran doesn't mean this external prana. It is 5 kinds of prana is there. 5 kinds of prana there. And see, now he defines each prana. Page 344, last line, last 3 lines. And prana is very much required. If prana is not there, you feel very weak. Yeah, well, I'm feeling very weak nowadays. Take some B complex. You have only complex in your life. So, Chyawanprash take some dates, etc. Take some banana. वो प्राण मतलब पावर ऑफ एक्टिविटी इज देयर, ध्यान देना. प्राण शक्ति थ्रू विच यू वर्क, लाइक यू आर गोइंग अहेड. अच्छा, एंड व्हाट इज प्राण? प्रणयनात् प्राण. सी दैट, अंडरलाइन दैट, last 4 line. Pranayanaat prana. That which takes forward is called prana. That which takes forward is called prana. Like this prana is called pranayat prana. Okay, this is called prana. Pranayanat prana. So 5 pranas are there. 5 prana means that Kriya Shakti has divided into 5 parts. Quiet. Kriya Shakti has divided into 5 parts. That is called prana. First is this prana. This is called our prana. Okay, eyes. And therefore a person, when he is not having prana, so he will not be able to talk properly. Second is apan. So up means down. Apanayat, through which the power of throwing the waste is there. That is a apan, municipality department. Then adhovritti, vyan. Vyan means yaman karta. Vyanaha. What is the prana? Vyan, that all the nerves where the prana goes, that is called prana. All the problem is because of prana. Sandhi viryavat karma hetuscha udanaha. So udan is where, when you lift something, you are breathing or not at that time? When you lift something, are you breathing or not? You lift and see. That is a sandhi between prana and apan. You lift. It is a sandhi between prana and apan, where some very big work is done. When you are pulling the arrow like that, then you are not breathing at that particular time. When any virya karma is done, at that time, that balshali prana comes into play. Ut means where movement is involved. Like woman is there. Or going of something moves up. Even the udan is even through the life goes away. This is called udan. Utkarsh, udan is like that. Vyan is where the vyan is where this sandhi is involved between and prana. See, pran apanayoho sandhi viryavat karma hetuscha. Did you underline that? That vyan is there through which you are applying the sandhi portion. And udan is what? Utkarsh, where something is going on the top. Like belching is there. Vomiting is there. Something is coming on the top. That is called udan vayu is there. Okay. And samana samam nayanat. When you digest the food, when you eat the food, saman vayu takes it to all direction. So this is called prana, vyan, apan, vyan, udan. Okay. What are we talking about? This is the 3 annam. Three annam are pran, man and vak. So 3 we covered. Remember, 3 are sadhya annam. 4 were sadhan annam. Those sadhan annam has made the sadhya annam. Now, 7th mantra, 8th mantra, 9th and 10th mantra, they are telling how this prana, how these 3 things are there in Adhyatma. There are 3 things. One is called Adhyatma, other is called Adibhut, third is called Adidev. क्या है ये क्या है? You must have heard that name. You are seeing my body. Which body? I had explained or not? This is adibhotik body. You are not seeing the Jeev in me. That Jeev, that who is holder of this body, you are not seeing. And the vritti through which that holder is expressing through the body, that is called Adhyatma. This body is Adibhut, and that Jeev is Adidev of this body. Everything is 3 here. Ganga ji which you see is Adibhautik Ganga. The deity which is holding the Ganga, who can express as the mother of Bhishma Pitama, she is Adi Devik Ganga. And the pure thought in my mind is Adhyatmik Ganga. Jnana. Only with everything it is like that, yes. That sun which you see, which sun? Adibhautik sun. One who is the possessor of that big sun, who says this whole sun is mine and I am this sun, Adi Devik, who is the father of Karna. And one who is seated in my eyes as a power of seeing, Adhyatmik sun. All will be there. And you do namaskar to the Adidevik sun. Okay. The moon which you see is Adi Bhautik moon. One who is a possessor of that moon, Chandrama Devata, who propitiated Lord Shiva when he was cursed by Daksh. He started decaying. And there he propitiated in Gujarat. And Lord Shiva appeared and became Somnath. He is Adi Devik, whose wife was Rohini and all nakshatras. Okay. Same moon, in my mind, who is the deity inside sitting there, is Adhyatmik moon. And if your moon is weak as per the astrology, it will create a lot of problem. It will create a lot of oscillation. You can't take decisions. So they can say his Chandrama is weak, his sun is weak. Sun is weak, not outside. That inside sun is weak, what they say, his Brihaspati is so very weak. Or his Brihaspati is very strong. His sun is very strong, he is going to become very popular. Shukra is very good, he will be good looking. Shukra is very good. This Shukra is very nice. He will be surrounded by luxuries. Everything is 3-3 here. Lot of implication are there. And therefore, when in Graha Nakshatra, then when eclipse comes, they say women who are pregnant should not use knife. You must have heard all these things. We think, what is these Hindus are like superstitious? That Devata which is at the Adi Devik and Adi Bhautik level will affect the Adi Devik Devata. Sunlight is not coming completely on that Devata. This Devata here is weak. And that is making the baby inside. Dhyan dena. And in that process, when it is not in the working, you are making it work. So that portion is missing in the baby. All are connected together. Adi Devik, Adi Bhautik, Adhyatmik, everything will be like that. Prithvi Devata is there. Prithvi is very big. It is holder of that Prithvi is Prithvi Devata. Therefore, Vastu Purush is there in the house. Gram Devi you must have heard. Gram Devata, Kul Devata. She is in charge of that area. In that gram, in that village. Earlier cities were not there. So this also must be a gram only. This still is a gram. But what you call city also was a gram. Okay. When I propitiate that Devata, it can bless me inside also. And therefore, if I say Vak, Pran and Mana, so they should be at 3 levels also. Now, how is it? We have to see it tomorrow. Well, interesting topic, you leave for tomorrow. There should be Adi Devik Vak, Adi Bhautik Vak, and Adhyatmik Vak. Adi Bhautik mind, Adi Devik mind, Adhyatmik mind. Adi Devik, Adi Bhautik Pran, Adhyatmik Pran. अब this Pran is Adhyatmik Pran, which is my individual Pran. I feel weak today. चले नहीं जा रहा है. Or I feel very strong, very energetic. Full of energy. This is Adhyatmik Pran. Adi Bhautik Pran सुना दें आपको? The big sun and the speed of so many planets are moving. Tremendous activity is going on. दिवि सूर्य सहस्रस्य भवेद युगपत उत्थिता यदि भास सदृशा साथ भास्तस्तस्य महात्मना. When Arjuna saw Bhagwan's form Virat, he said thousands of sun have all out of everything they have come up as if. ये आदि भौतिक प्राण है. अभी दिखाएंगे आपको. And same Bhagwan, when he comes out to do, when he became a Narsim Bhagwan, tremendous prana shakti was there, destroying everything around him. Vaman Bhagwan got up, started very small, and when he started growing, he grew up, and North Pole was 1 foot, South was another, and he went to. ये आदि दैविक प्राण आ गया उनके अंदर. When Bhagwan Ram lifted the bow, it was Adi Devik Pran came up. Nobody could budge. पता नहीं कैसे हो गया. So you cannot have, without thought, you can't have object. Therefore, Adhyatma has to be there with Adhibhut. When this Vani was, I was not speaking and thinking, it was Adhyatmik. When I expressed it, it became Adhibhautik. And when I possess it, I become Adidevik. This is my Vani. I'm giving an example. So you can't have only one, all have to be there. Time is over. There are more thoughts on this. We'll come back to you tomorrow.